Hey you guys, I am about to do my hair, but really quick I wanted to talk to you guys about a product I have been obsessed with, which is Color Wow's Dream Coat. I've actually been using this product for a little over a month now, and when I used it I was like obsessed right away. You guys know I love to put you on some good product, especially hair product. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I use it and tell you a little bit about why I love it so much. What Dream Coat actually does is it's going to give you that very like sleek, shiny, glass-like hair, which is perfect. That's what I'm going for today. So the way you actually activate this product is by blow drying it. So I am going to blow it out, but I'm not going to do anything crazy. I just want it sleek, very shiny and clean. I did want to mention that Dream Coat is also sulfate free, it's paraben free, and it's vegan, which is very important to me. It also works as a heat protectant, so you're pretty much set with this one product. You don't have to put anything else in, and it protects against humidity, which is amazing because I know us girls struggle trying to keep our hair straight and intact when it is humid outside. So it is really just an amazing product. And I forgot to mention that it lasts you 2 to 3 washes, so you don't have to put it in every single time you wash your hair. You're gonna have those results even after you wash your hair. Like, I've never used a product that does that. But okay, so I'm going to show you guys now. I'm going to show you how I use it and how it works and all that. So I wet my hair a little bit just because it does say that you should have damp hair when you do this. So basically what I do is I, first of all, really clean sectioning, saturate it pretty well, maybe just like that. See, I would never do that with another product, but the key with this one is that you actually do want to make sure you're covering your hair in this pretty well, because that's how you're gonna get it to work. I'm just gonna blow dry this section really quick and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, I just finished this section and look at how shiny and silky it looks. It looks so pretty, I love it. And even though you're saturating your hair, it still feels very clean and really light. So I'm just going to finish my hair and then I'll show you guys the final result. Alright you guys, this is the result. Look at how pretty it is and how shiny it looks. It looks super clean, it's not weighed down. I am obsessed. It just looks so good. I definitely recommend it. I am obsessed with it and it is a staple in my hair care routine now, so I think you guys should try it too.